Hi, I'm Rie. Today I'm going to take popular food and make it fancy.
I've always wanted to do that.
Usually I host this show by myself, but I have an amazing co-host today, Tway!
Thank you so much for having me. I am very excited to be here. And doing that is now crossed off my bucket list.
Oh my god, thank you so much for saying that. Alright, let's see what we are making fancy today. Campbell's cream of mushroom soup.
My first thought is I have no thoughts on how you would make this fancy. Like what?
You were born in Vietnam,
Yeah.
but you moved to United States when you were 8?
Yes.
Have you had this before?
I have had many canned foods in my life, and I have never had this.
Same. I've never had this before. I think we should try.
Let's try it. This is a thick soup.
This is thick. Cheers.
Salty.
Yeah, like hint of mushroom.
Yeah. Do you have any idea of what we could possibly do with this?
Yeah, I think I should maybe...
I like how you're playing with it. Maybe.
You know, if you stir, maybe great idea comes out. I want to make it something very unexpected.
Honestly, Rie, I feel like you've been doing this for way too long and the ideas are just like coming to you like it's nothing. Close your eyes really quick.
Oh, what's that?
I have something for you. And open your eyes.
What's this?
I want you to randomly select one of these cans to add to this recipe. Ooh.
Why is this?
Dark sweet cherries.
This doesn't belong together, you know that? It's kind of hell. I wanted to do something unexpected. And cherry and mushroom, they're very unexpected.
We're excited to
Make it fancy! Alright, here's what I got. Cherries,
chocolate,
heavy cream,
coffee,
cocoa powder, and
buttermilk,
from the pantry, we got baking powder,
sugar,
baking soda,
powdered sugar,
homemade almond extract,
cake flour,
vanilla extract,
cornstarch,
and cherry liquor.
ooh,
Alright, let's get started. Make it fancy! First and foremost, our star
cream of mushroom.
cream of mushroom. How do you open with that long nail? Oh, it's actually much easier. So I'm going to strain. So I want to make mushroom and cream separate.
I'm just going along with you. I really don't know where we're taking this.
I want to dehydrate mushroom. You don't want to push too hard.
Gotcha.
But you kind of want to take the mushroom out from this soup. It's
There you
very
go.
appetizing.
Yum!
So mushrooms are separated. So I'm going to put mushroom on parchment paper, and can you spread? Just one layer. We are going to dehydrate until crispy. So it took 3 hours to make this crispy. So we're gonna put this in a grinder. Turns out we dehydrated, but there are not many mushrooms.
Yeah.
So it's just cream.
I still have no idea what we're doing, but we're here.
Hold your ears. It's not.
Does it work?
It's not going.
No, not really.
So I'm gonna bring something else. Oh, maybe. Oh, it's happening. Oh, Tway.
Oh, wow!
I'm so glad you are here. Can you dump? Do you want to taste it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Cheers.
That's salty.
But it kind of has umami too.
Like a finishing salt,
Yeah, right.
you know?
Before we eat everything,
Let's get fancy.
So now we're gonna make batter.
Batter. I wonder
And-
what this batter is gonna be for.
I'm going to add sugar,
So we're making something sweet.
maybe, and cocoa powder.
Ooh, it smells good.
Nice. Baking powder and baking soda. I'm gonna put salt on the side. And we are going to put all the wet ingredients one bowl, buttermilk and oil. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Cap is a
1
teaspoon? Oh, I did not know that. 2 eggs.
And the separated cream.
The star of the show. Yum!
Do you really think so?
No.
Now, whisk the dry ingredients. Wait, can you put wet ingredients to dry ingredients?
Yes.
And we're gonna put hot coffee. It's not the Vietnamese coffee.
But it'll do.
It smells good.
Wow!
Oh!
It really does smell really good.
Let's change it to spatula.
Smells like hot cocoa.
So this looks good. We're gonna go on next step.
Well, it's definitely cake.
You never know. All right, let's put butter. And like, I just want to mention the smell.
Yeah, it does not smell like cake.
Yeah, it's like a mushroom.
The
It's
mushroom is really coming through.
We want to make it evenly. I usually use sour cream or yogurt when I bake cake, but mushroom doesn't have a lot of fat, so it was very difficult to tweak around how much moisture contents I should reduce from the other ingredients. Right, let's put this in the oven.
Okay, let's go. Cherries?
Yeah, like
was-
mystery ingredients.
Yeah, I was wondering when these were gonna come in.
And we are going to bring it to a boil.
Ooh, yes, chocolate cake with cherries.
All right, so I have a masher.
So, are we making like a syrup or something?
So we are making simple syrup and
Okay.
cherry jam.
Ooh.
And we're gonna strain. Nice. The cherry back into the pot. I am getting 1 tablespoon of cherry syrup, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch.
So this is like a cherry slurry.
Yeah, it's gonna make it thick. Thick. And I'm going to use 1/2 cup syrup, 2 tablespoons of cherry liquor. I like to use alcohol because it kind of masks some sort of like weird smell. So this case is mushroom. So this is homemade almond extract.
Okay.
It took 3 months.
That's special. So why almond extract and not vanilla extract?
Almond extract kind of complements with cherry, and this is made with cherry pits, so it's kind of nice go together. Looks great. Time for next step.
Let's do it.
Right, can you put heavy cream in a pot? And we want to make sure not boil.
Now we wait.
Now we wait. So you moved when you were 8. How did you learn English?
From watching SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
It was SpongeBob and then Anthony Bourdain.
So you want to cover hot heavy cream and kind of want to count 30 seconds. You can also use plastic so it kind of traps the heat.
Oh. I'm learning all the tips and tricks. I love this.
Let's count.
Wait, you count in Japanese and I can count in Vietnamese.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30.
Japanese just sounds so cool.
Really? I
Yeah.
think Vietnamese sounds so cool too. So we shouldn't forget main ingredients.
Mushroom powder.
Yes.
Can we taste it? Ah, that's good stuff.
I think it kind of adds umami.
You're a genius. Okay, what's next?
We will see.
That's a lot of cream, so I'm guessing we're making whipped cream, right?
We'll see. When I make whipped cream, I usually use whisk. I
Okay.
don't like using
You
the
just want to
hand
make your life
mixer.
harder?
Yeah, but this is too much. 1 liter.
I still think you should use the whisk.
Do you want to do it?
No.
So we're gonna put powdered sugar and we're gonna put cornstarch.
Oh, why cornstarch?
Because it stabilizes the whipped cream. And do you want to put vanilla? I think something is not right if I'm using this. So let's use whisk. Let's make our life harder.
You know what? Here you go. You can do that.
It's a good workout.
So how you feeling?
I think great. Okay, your turn.
Girl, move over.
My soul kind of breaks a little bit.
And whisk it by
It's
hand.
okay. It's okay.
I think this is
Nice.
good.
And let's decorate the thing.
The cake.
Right, so cake is baked and it's cold.
So it's cake.
Things. The things are baked and cold. And we are going to dub.
Okay.
I wish you were gonna do that. This is the cherry simple syrup we made with the cherry liquor. We have to use this all. So it's gonna be drenched. You guys cannot smell, but we smell mushroom for sure. Once you finish, you can flip and we do other side.
You know what Campbell's cream mushroom's nickname is?
Salty soup.
Mushroom of the sea.
America's Bechamel.
Oh.
Ah! Oh, we're gonna do surgery.
Cake surgery?
Can you put this cake upside down onto this base? And this is the cream we made earlier. And then we're gonna put jam. So we pipe cream in a border so this cherry jam doesn't bleed out. Second layer.
I really cannot wait to taste this cake.
Me too. This is a ganache with dehydrated mushroom. So we're gonna decorate on top. Nice. Wow. And we're gonna put fresh cherries on top.
That is so pretty.
Yay! We have chocolate curls.
Fancy.
We are done. Cream of mushroom black forest cake. Very fancy.
This is super fancy. I can't believe we made this.
We made too much. So I think we have to have our mutual friend.
Do you think he would be able to guess what's in here?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
So we have very special guest, H. Woo!
Are you wearing a
So
suit?
fun.
This for you guys.
We made a popular pantry item fancy. This is what we made.
Cake looks fantastic.
Thank you. Let's dig in.
Cheers.
Can you guess what popular item is in this?
Is it like the Hostess chocolate cake thing?
It's savory. We will give you a hint. This popular item is called America's Bechamel.
What? I mean, I'll keep eating it, but
It's good, right?
One more hint, it's canned.
One more hint. It's a soup.
oh, is it cream of mushroom?
Yeah.
No way!
Wait, there's one more secret ingredient.
More.
But it's actually sweet. And if you look at the cake, you can tell on what it is.
The cherries?
Yes!
And the cherries. One last things to do. 3, 2, 1.
Make it fancy!
Woo! H. Woo!